Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 4 sin t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 16 sin t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sin t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by ds. ds we have 4 cosine t dt. First derivative of sin t, you got about cosine t. So I will put this one go in here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 16 sin t square. Number 16, we can do about factorization. This one we have cosine t square. The square root of 16 cosine t square, we have 4 cosine t. And now we need to simplify. Four to the power of 4, we have 256 sin t to the power of 4. So I will put this number go outside. And this one I will change into cosecant of t to the power of 4. And we know that cosecant of t to the power of 4, I can get about cosecant of t square multiplied by cosecant of t square. About cosecant of t square, I can change into cosine t square plus 1. And now I will use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine t du. We have negative cosecant of t square dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to du. This one we have u square. This one we have negative du. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 1, that's about u. And we put about c. About u, that's about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And we have t equal to r sine of s over 4. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.